Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. We're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY today. So let me go ahead and show you what I've got. I've got these little mini cordials. There's 6 of them in here. So that's $1. And then decorative cake trays. And this is 3 of them, so $3. So this is going to be a total of $4. So finally I'm getting my voice back, but now my brain is going. So let's see. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make one of the party trays, really pretty, really elegant looking, and it would be perfect for, you know, like a little gathering with your girlfriends, just to put some little snacks on. So I thought that would be cool. So let's go ahead and get started. So all you're gonna do is you need 2 of these. So save these because there's 4 in here. That'll be perfect for a future DIY. And then what we're gonna do is take these guys and we're gonna have the bottom. And what you want to do is flip it over actually. And we're going to put some hot glue. You might want to use some E6000, but I'm just going to use the hot glue right now. Try and get it as best that you can on here. There we go. And then the reason I did it upside down is because there's a hole in here. Let me do it first, and I'll show you on the next one. So there is like all of these rings here, and there's this one here, and this big size, you can line it up perfectly inside that hole. And then this bottom is so pretty, it just matches so well with like this decor. So we've got that here. And then this one that you did first is now going to be your top. And we're gonna do another one just like that. Same exact thing. So you'll wanna do 2 of these. All the way around. Again, you want your glue to be, I would use E6000. I'm only using this for demonstration purposes, but would go and put some E6000 on here because you don't want it to fall over unless you're going to just be using some really light pedophores or something similar like little tea cakes, something like that. That would be good. So now we've got that set up, and we're going to take this and we're going to hot glue here around this bottom. And again, there's that circle, and this fits perfectly on that circle. So you are going to get it dead center, so you won't have like a lot of tipping over or anything like that. This is actually a very sturdy piece. And so we're going to do that to the second one. This is really quick, really easy. And it's just going to make it so nice. So then you're going to take this one, you're going to do the same thing. And you guys, this looks like a real crystal piece here. Look how pretty that is. I just love these scalloped edges. So isn't that so pretty? And now you just set it out. You put all your little stuff on there. You put a doily on top. I think it's really cute. All right, beauties, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and you'll want to see all my future DIYs. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.